Vijaya, tell me how was your experience?
Very comforting, very relaxing, because I'm still not out of it. Initially, it was a little difficult. To avoid those unwanted thoughts. It wasn't easy at all. For the first few minutes, I was trying hard to come out of them, but it didn't happen so easily. Yeah. Later, it got to a point when the vibrations, it just happened to, penetrate. It was beautiful. That's the time when I started to actually relax. I could hear that sound all over. It was all over around me. After that, I was totally into that trance state. It was wonderful. I guess I'll need more sessions because I could feel my spondylitis. The pain, I wouldn't say it was paining, but there was some, tickling sensation here and there. So I already know that there is a problem there that has to be taken care of. So I need to be doing something about it. It was nice.